Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am serving you summer. What's this? Mint green. I don't know. This is evergreen, mint green, champagne pop goodness. Okay? I am serving you guys life right now. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, this is a summer-proof, sweat-proof makeup. Now, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can tell by my forehead, it's hot as hell. I'm perspiring, but my makeup is not moving. I have to perspire. It can't suck my heat. My face can't suck the heat in. So yeah, I would call this a sweat-proof makeup. Basically, this is going to make your makeup last throughout the day, throughout your functions, your cookouts. As you guys can see, I have different pigments. My face is lighter than my body, so I try to match my face with my body. Usually, I would blend in my neck too because my neck is very dark compared to my face and my chest and the rest of my body. But it's just because it's for the sake of this video. I just didn't really care that much to do all that, but I hope you guys like this look. If you guys like this look, you want to see more makeup looks from me, please hit the like button and definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys want some deets on this hair, let me know. Should I do a video on this hair? I've had this hair since December. We are currently in June. So I've had this hair approximately 7 months going on to 8. And you guys, bomb. I didn't even straighten it. This is like a previous straighten session. Bomb. Anyways guys, that is enough of me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. So my face is already cleansed, but I'm just going ahead and just making sure everything is wiped away by using my witch hazel toner. Then I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize. If you have really oily skin, you definitely want to make sure you're moisturizing. I'm using the Eucerin. I think this is a hand cream or whatever, but I use it for my face. Then for my primer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer by Maybelline. Then I'm just going to go ahead and lock everything in with this translucent powder by Airspun. It's just going to make sure that my makeup doesn't move and I don't get oily. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using today is by NYX. I actually got this for my birthday from Ulta. And then I'm also going to be utilizing Espresso by MAC as my darker shade. And then all the other colors that I use are from the same NYX palette that I just showed you guys. So I'm just going to actually show you guys each color that I use instead of having to ramble on and tell you guys about it. And right here as my base, I used a concealer. So I think this is Natural Beige or Natural something. It's by LA Girl Pro. I just use that to cut my crease. Foundation, I am going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in the color NC50. As you guys can tell by the name is waterproof, so it doesn't really have that much oil in it. Well, I don't think it does, so that's really going to also help to make sure that, you know, this stays and doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout my day. Now for my concealer, I'm going to be using the color Fawn. This is by LA Girl Pro. Now you guys, a quick tip is that when you are trying to do a summer-proof, sweat-proof makeup, you want to make sure you're using products that are not really oil-based. So nothing that makes you dewy, because it's already going to be hot. You're going to get dewy regardless. So you want to try and stay as matte as possible, and then maybe throughout the day you start getting dewy. Right here, I'm also going to be contouring with my Black Opal. I don't remember what color this is in, but this is kind of an oil-based product, but that's why I try to use it lightly because I want to use it to contour, but I don't want it to be dewy. And for this type of summer-proof makeup, I would definitely say try to stay away from cream products. with my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder. This is not actually my skin tone. This is NT50, so it's a lighter shade. I actually use it to set the places where I highlighted before I go into baking. So right here, as you can see, I am using the Airspun, the translucent powder, and now I'm going to go ahead and bake. This is also a trick on how to prevent flashback. Basically, the foundation powder allows the baking powder to it makes it smoother, and also helps in preventing that nasty white cast that usually translucent powders leave on people of color. I'm just taking my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer. I'm going to be using this as a blush and also as a contour. This is actually just my Budesky in here. I put it in this small container so it's easier to pack when I'm gonna go see a client. You know? Let's go! You have to stop it! Right here, I'm just going ahead and setting my eyebrows with this brown mascara by CoverGirl. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in Mountain Gold, you guys. This is the best highlight ever, Bandri. Like. When you're trying to do a look that you want to make sure that it stays, don't put too much highlighter, especially if you have oily skin, because that's just only gonna make it worse. And for my lippies, I am going to be using 3 colors by NYX. This first one is Cinnamon Roll. It's by NYX. It's their Intense Butter Gloss. And right here, I'm just taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. And topping it all off with the NYX Butter Gloss and Madeline.